everyone. I am Rashmi from Lial Public School. So today we are going to study a very first chapter of English grammar, that is the sentence. So in this chapter we will understand what is a sentence and what are the characteristics of a sentence. Okay, student? Yes, student, before starting this chapter, you know about the what is a letter, what is a word क्या होते हैं, letter क्या होते हैं. Let's start. Yes, the first of all you have to know about the letter. सबसे पहले आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि letter क्या होता है. Yes, the basic unit of every language is letter. जो basic unit है प्रत्येक language की वो क्या होती है, letter होती है. Clear? As you know, A, R, yes, A, B, C, D, E, F are individually called letter. Individually ये क्या कहलाते हैं, letters कहलाते हैं. Okay, student. The next one is here. You know very well the words. Yes, after that, after the letter, you have to know about the words. What are words, student? Yes, letters arranged together to get a meaning are called words. जब भी हम letters को एक साथ arrange करते हैं तो उसमें एक meaning होना चाहिए, वही क्या कहलाता है, words. Now, number one is here ELEPHANT. So letters are given here. So yes, it's make a word elephant gives a meaning is a word. वो आपको क्या दे रहा है, एक meaning दे रहा है, इसलिए ये क्या कहलाता है, word कहलाता है. Yes, number second is here HTELPNAE doesn't give meaning, it's not a word. ये letters तो है, group of letters तो है, लेकिन ये arrange नहीं है order में, तो it doesn't give a meaning, it's not a word. Okay, student, what are words? Yes, letters arranged together to get a meaning are called words. Words वही कहलाते हैं जिसका क्या होना चाहिए, meaning होना चाहिए. letter को अगर हम arrange कर देते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाते हैं, as a word नहीं कहलाते, लेकिन उसका कोई meaning निकलना चाहिए, वो क्या कहलाते हैं, word कहलाते हैं. Okay, now what is a sentence, student? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Sentence क्या होते हैं, group of words होते हैं जिसका क्या होना चाहिए, complete sense होना चाहिए. Yes, sentence is also called a group of words. It has a complete thought and the sentence have a subject and a verb combination and it has a complete meaning, complete thought. This is called a sentence. Okay, students. So now I am giving an example. Wrote Renu is. Now wrote Renu is. So this is a student group of words. I am writing wrote, WROTE, wrote Renu. Okay, wrote Renu a story. Okay, student. So now I'm writing these words. This is a group of words. This is a group of words, but it is not called a sentence. ये sentence नहीं कहलाते हैं because these words have any sense. ये words कोई sense दे रहा है आपको. It has a complete thought. Wrote Renu a story. No, this is only a group of words. It has a subject and verb, but it has not a complete meaning. So I'm writing another sentence here as a Renu wrote a story. Clear, student? So I'm writing a sentence. Renu wrote a story. So here you notice that it convey a meaning. Renu wrote a story. This is a group of words and has a complete thoughts and a complete meaning and a subject and verb combination also in this sentence. So this is a sentence. Yes, sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. The second number sentence में आप देख रहे हैं कि जिसका क्या हो रहा है, as a complete sense हो रहा है. This is called a sentence. Clear, students? Yes, this group of words make complete sense. The words are placed in correct order. Yes, most important, student, जो भी words होते हैं वो आपको एक order में ही क्या होने चाहिए, एक order में ही correct order में place होने चाहिए. Okay, this is a sentence. Clear, student? This is called a sentence. I am repeating again, sentence, जिसको हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, वाक्य. A sentence is a group of words होते हैं which makes complete sense, जिसका complete sense होना चाहिए. Yes, I am giving an example. Wrote Renu a story. This is a group of words, but the words are placed is not a correct place. Okay, the words are placed in the correct order. जो भी words है आपको correct order में place होने से. So I am writing a next sentence. Renu wrote a story. Here you know very well its meaning. Renu wrote a story. Renu ने एक story लिखी. So that's why this is called a sentence. Clear, student? Now student, when you write a sentence, you must remember four things. जब भी आप कोई भी sentence लिखेंगे तो you have to know about the things. That number one is here, the words must be placed in the proper order to make complete sense. Yes, you know very well. In the first slides, I told you about the sentence when you wrote a story and the words. You remember that the words must be placed in their proper order. जो भी words होते हैं वो क्या होने चाहिए, उनके proper order में place होने चाहिए to make complete sense. जो क्या होता है हमारा जो complete sense बनाता है. Otherwise it is not called a sentence. Clear? Number second is here, the sentence must begin with a capital letter. जो भी हमारा जो sentence, जो भी वाक्य है must begin with a capital letter. जो हमारा जो sentence है वो capital letter से start होना चाहिए. I am writing a sentence. Renu wrote a story. The word as a we use as a R as a capital. So here that's why we use as a Renu as a capital. The first, yes, it's begin. It means sentence begins with a capital letter. Clear? Number third is here, it has verb or action word. So इसमें क्या होना चाहिए, verb या action words. You know very well a verb. A verb is a word or a combination of words that indicate action or state of being a condition. Yes, a verb is a part of a sentence that tell us what the subject perform. ये एक हमारे sentence का part होता है जो हमको ये बताता है कि subject क्या perform कर रहा है. Subject is here. Yes, subject Renu wrote a story. So Renu is here as a subject. You know very well. And the verbs are the hearts of English sentences. जो verb है वो हमारे इंग्लिश सेंटेंस का क्या होता है, हम क्या बोल देंगे, हार्ट बोलेंगे उसको. Number fourth is here, full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. We use as a full stop, we use as a question mark, we use as a exclamation mark. Okay, depend on a sentence. As it's a declarative sentence, we put a full stop. In an imperative sentence, we also use a full stop. In an exclamative sentence, we use also exclamation mark. In an interrogative sentence, start with a question mark. Okay, WH words start with a WH word. So we have to know about this is a interrogative sentence. At the end of the sentence, we have to put a question mark. Okay, student, clear? So student, when you write a sentence, you must remember four things. I am repeating again. The words must be placed in their proper order to make complete sense. हमारे sentence का complete sense होने के लिए हमारे जो भी words होते हैं, group of words होते हैं, उनको complete proper order में होना चाहिए. Number second, this sentence it begins with a capital letter. Clear? Yes, it has a verb or action word. Number fourth is here, the full stop, question mark, exclamation mark are placed at the end of the sentence. Clear, student? Now, next is here. Now, student, you must understand that it must express a complete thought or idea. So, example are given here. Now, let's take an example from the slide. Number one is here, fruit is the apple and. Now, student, have you understood it? No, because this group of words not making any sense. Group of words तो है, but not making any sense. Now, if I say an apple is a fruit, clear? Now, we all have understood that means the group of words make any sense. So, it is a sentence. So, it is a sentence. It is a correct sentence. Clear, student? An apple is a fruit. Now, let's take next. Second example, fly birds in sky the. So these are the group of words, but it is not called a sentence because it is not a meaningful sentence. So that's why, so we have to write birds fly in the sky. Yes, we all have understood the birds fly in the sky. You can see the image. The birds है वो क्या हो रही है? अब आप स्काई में उड़ रही हैं. So here you know the meaning of the sentence. Okay, this is called a sentence. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Sentence कहलाते हैं. Okay student, I hope you are clear that it must express a complete thought or idea. It is here. Yes, a sentence must express. Sentence में क्या होना चाहिए? क्या express होना चाहिए? Complete thought or idea होना चाहिए. Clear student? Now next one is here subject and verb combination. You know very well the sentence have a subject and verb combination. First of all, you have to know about the subject. Yes, what is the subject, student? The person or thing. Okay, we speak about is called the subject. जो भी person या thing as a noun भी हो सकते हैं, pronoun भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, so here we talk about is called the subject. A subject is a part of a sentence that contains the person or thing performing the action in a sentence. ये हमको ये बताती है कि हमारा जो भी subject है, एक sentence का एक part है, it contain the person or thing. इसके अंदर person भी हो सकते हैं और things भी हो सकती हैं. And performing the action, वो क्या करते हैं? Action को perform करते हैं in a sentence. This is called a subject. वो क्या कहलाते हैं? Subject कहलाते हैं. Now next one is here verb combination. I told you before what is a verb, student? A verb is a word or combination or words that indicate action. वो क्या indicate करते हैं? Action indicate करते हैं. For example, I'm giving you as a see, sleep, fly, run, read, teach, study. This is also called a verb. ये क्या कहलाती हैं? Verb कहलाती हैं. Okay, student. So this is as a subject and verb combination. So now let's start with the example. Priya is a good girl. Okay, student. Priya is here as a subject. Is here as a verb. Okay. Why Priya is a subject here? You know very well. The person or thing we speak about is called the subject. इस sentence में मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ? Yes, who is a good girl? Priya is a good girl. So Priya is here as a subject. So Priya is a good girl. So the combination as a subject and verb combination is called a subject. हमारे sentence के अंदर subject और verb का combination होना चाहिए अपना sense complete करने के लिए. This is called a sentence. Clear, student? Now is here in this sentence as a verb. And you know we use as a helping verb, we use as a linking verb. Okay, students, so you know very well transitive or intransitive verb also. So here we use as a is as a verb. So Priya is a good girl. This is the combination of subject and verb. Now second sentence is here, an aeroplane flies very fast. An aeroplane flies very fast. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Yes, an aeroplane. Aeroplane is here as a subject. And is here as we use a article. Okay, student. So subject is here as a aeroplane. Why? हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Aeroplane के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और हम अब देखते हैं कि action perform कौन कर रहा है? Yes, an aeroplane flies very fast. कौन उड़ रहा है? तेज कौन उड़ रहा है? एरोप्लेन उड़ रहा है. फ्लाई कौन कर रहा है? एरोप्लेन कर रहा है. तो एरोप्लेन इज हियर एज अ सब्जेक्ट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? एंड फ्लाइज इज हियर एज अ वर्ब. ओके स्टूडेंट, फ्लाइज क्या है यहाँ पे? एज अ वर्ब है. सो दिस इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. इट गिव्स अ कंप्लीट मीनिंग. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ सेंटेंस. या क्या कहलाते हैं? सेंटेंस कहलाते हैं. Now, I'm giving you an exercise. Here are a group of words. Let's tick the ones that are sentences. Okay? यहाँ पर group of words दे रखे हैं. हमको टिक करना है जो क्या है? Sentences है and cross out करना है वो sentence नहीं है. Clear? Let's start student. Now, number one is here. There are many books in the library. So this is a complete sentence. This is a group of words. Yes, but I give a complete meaning. There are many books in the library. Okay, students. So this is the correct sentence. Number second is here. Ben has a pet dog. Its sense is clear. It conveys meaning. Ben has a pet dog. So this is a sentence. Number third is here. And they. These are the group of words is here, but not have a complete sense, student. So that's why this is not a sentence. Number fourth is here. Is sharp. Is sharp. Have you understood? No. we didn't understand, हमको समझ में नहीं आया, so this is not a sentence, it not convey its meaning, so that's why this is not a sentence. Number 5 is here, playing children are the are. So this is a group of words but not have a complete meaning, not in a correct order, so this is not a sentence. Clear, student? So now number 6 is here, the apples are sweet. So here you notice that it's convey its meaning, the apples are sweet. So this is a sentence. Subject is here and subject as the apple is here and the are is a verb. The subject and verb combination is there. So this is this being a complete sense. This is called a sentence. Number 7 is here, eats Ram food. Okay, students, so eat Ram food. So here I am not starting from a subject. Okay, not starting with capital letter. Okay, not giving any sense. So this is not a sentence. So student, you have to know about the what is a sentence. A sentence क्या होते हैं? Only group of words sentence नहीं होते हैं. केवल ग्रुप ऑफ सेंटेंस, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स लिखने से सेंटेंस नहीं बन जाता. उसमें क्या होना चाहिए? इट हैज अ कंप्लीट मीनिंग, कंप्लीट थॉट एंड हैव सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब कॉम्बिनेशन. Dear student, now let's start the exercise. Okay, these are the jumble sentences. Now number 1 is here, is funny very my brother. So this is not in order. ये जो भी words दे रखे group of words हैं वो order में नहीं है. So you have to write the sentence and give it a particular correct order. So now I'm writing, yes, my brother is very funny. After that you have to put a full stop. उसके बाद आपको क्या use करना है? Full stop use करना है. As we put a full stop after the funny. Clear, student? My brother is very funny. So this is a complete sentence. Number 2 is here, the I am afraid backo. This is a group of words. Yes, this is a jumble sentence. So you have to write a complete sentence. You have to write, you have to put the words in correct order. So now here the correct is here, I am afraid of the dark. Okay, student, I am afraid of the dark. And end of the sentence you have to put a full stop because this is a declarative, this is a simple sentence. Clear? Now move on the next slide. Next is here, school go to you every day. So this is a practice of your jumble sentences, student. Okay, now you have to use the group of words and you have to put into a correct order to make a sentence. Yes, yes, answer is here, you go to school every day. First one is here as a subject and after that we use as a verb combination go, and after that we have to use as a predicate part also to go to school every day. Clear, student? Now next one is here, I guitar the well very play. So I'm writing this sentence. When I write this sentence, so this is not an order, this is not convey any sense. When you write next sentence, I play the guitar very well. So this is a complete thought, this convey a complete thought. Okay, student, I play the guitar very well. So I is here as a subject, play is here as a verb. After that we use as a object. Okay, so I play the guitar very well. So this is the complete sense. It's convey a meaning, I play the guitar very well. मैं बहुत अच्छा गिटार बजाता हूँ. So students, so this is all about the sentence.